Hello. A few years ago I installed these awesome IKEA Runnen Deck Tiles on my balcony. Today I'm showing you how to easy clean IKEA Runnen Deck Tiles. As you can see, a lot of dust has collected on my balcony over autumn, winter and spring, so let's clean it all off today. My method is simple. Start cleaning from the farthest corner. Free the floor of all moving things by placing them to the side. As you can see, this floor has accumulated quite a lot of dust. Start by using a vacuum cleaner to suck up most of the debris. Use a brush to better remove stuck-on debris from the gaps in the balcony decking. Then wet a cloth with warm water and wash off the dust. Be sure to wash the gaps where the dirt is the most. Rinse the cloth regularly as the flooring is very dirty. And so wash and rinse several times, until the cloth is no longer dirty. Then you move the things you've taken back to the clean floor, and of course clean them. Clean windowsills and other surfaces too, so everything is as fresh as spring grass. Bird's poop is the hardest to clean, it sticks well. After about 1 hour, the whole balcony is clean, nice and crisp, and it's time to put the furniture back in place. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to post them below this video.